We're here today to talk about precision fiber cloth. It's a new technology from Intex DIY. Precision fiber cloth is made from super absorbent natural fiber that's hydro-entangled with super strong polymers to create a cloth-like rag with everything that a painter wants and nothing that they don't. The great thing about precision fiber cloth, PFC for short, is that every single cloth is the exact same size, shape, and spec when you pull it out of the bag. Everyone is consistent piece to piece without any kind of unusable rags. Now this cloth is absorbent in paint, water, oil, and even solvents. So if you see here, I'm going to actually take this rag here. I'm going to put it into the water. I want you to see how fast that this rag actually absorbs the water. As I pull it out, you're going to see it was all locked in there. And as I rinse it out, even though I've already used this rag once, I can use it over and over again, and it's going to absorb just as fast as you did the first time. Precision fiber cloth is super durable, long-lasting, and reusable. So if you see here, if I pull and tug on this wiper, it's not going to rip, tear, or otherwise break down. I'm going to ask my painter friend Stanley to come help me out here. Do me a favor, Stanley, grab this end, and I want you to tug really hard. There you go. I want you to see how strong this product really is. And we're also going to put it up to a big strength test. Are you ready? Take that 20-pound weight and let's put it in the middle. All right, let's grab these two ends here. Okay, even under extreme stress, precision fiber cloth will actually withstand any kind of tough pressure. Thank you, Stanley. Precision fiber cloth is not only a great everyday rag, but it's really wonderful for painters. So I'm going to use that same exact rag that we just used in that strength test. And I want you to see, when I take some paint, I put across this tile here, I'm simply just going to wipe, and it's going to pick up that paint across that surface. As I'm talking to you now, this paint is actually getting locked in with that super absorbency power. As I rinse this out, although you can see that that wiping cloth still has paint inside of it, the paint that's on top of the surface has actually soaked up. So when I go and I wipe again, you're going to see that it's not going to smear across that paint. Next, I want you to see that this is actually a lint-free and solvent-resistant wiper. What we have here is a nice wood grain board. You can see that the wood is really rough. So when I actually take this wiping cloth, dip it into some stain, I'm going to put it with the grain, and you're going to see that it doesn't leave any kind of residue whatsoever. I'm going to take some stain again. This time I'm going to go against the grain. When I go against the grain, I'm going to go really rough, and you can see again, there's no lint that's left behind. The wonderful thing about precision fiber cloth is that it's made in the USA. Precision fiber cloth is the only rag with the absorbency, consistent size, quality, and strength, and low lint and value that you need in a paint rag. Check us out at intexsupply.com or pfcrags.com. Thank you again. Have a great day.